Hey everyone! Streetwear is all about making a bold statement. Today, let's design a streetwear inspired graphic in Kittles that pops on t-shirt, hoodies, or merch. Let's get started. First, go to kittl.com. Then here on the left side menu, you can click on the templates and here, search for streetwear to get inspiration or start a blank canvas if you want a full control. Then here, find a streetwear designs and here use template. Streetwear thrives in loud, chunky fonts, or you can go to text and choose bold or graffiti style or blocky fonts and type in a powerful word or phrases like fearless and more. Then here you can go to elements and then you can use illustrations and search for skulls, flames, abstract shapes, or graffiti strokes and position them around your text to create an edgy look. And streetwear usually uses a high contrast palettes. You can use black and white for a minimal vibe, or neon, red or green, or electric blue for a bolder punch. And use a Kittle's grunge or distressed textures to make your design look raw and authentic. And click mockups and preview your design on t-shirt, hoodies, or tote bags and see how it looks in real life. And download it as a high resolution PNG with transparent background, perfect for printing on merch. And that's it. You've just created a bold streetwear design in Kittl. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.